Okay, so what seems to have happened is that while the car has been standing here for over 13 months, the contents of the fuel tank, petrol, has leaked. I know that there was some kind of leak. I thought it was more up in the system, closer to the filling cap. Anyway, I reconnected it to the charger because the problem is there's no fuel, probably no fuel in the system at all, and I have parked it so close to the wall, so I cannot get the car out to refuel it. Okay, so we're trying to fill up the car. Let's see if it's if we can get any fuel into it. Hi everybody, welcome to Anything That Moves, and we managed to get some fuel into the car. It was leaking quite a lot. I think there's a leak in the close to the filling cap, which is a common problem on these V70s. Anyway, this is our extra car. It's a 2002 Volvo V70. That is the state version of the S80 that came, I don't know, I think it came to year 2000. This one is a 2002 year model. It's got a 2.4 liter 5-cylinder turbo engine. The fuel seems to stay where it is, the fuel level, so I don't think there's a leak lower below in the tank. I'm a little bit... what I can remember is I left it with half tank, and if I did so, then I don't understand how it could be empty now. Anyway, I'm really happy, and also the handbrake was not stuck. Now I think this has got too much of a thing to repair this leak myself. I don't have the tools, I don't have the garage, etc. So I'm going to repair shop now and see if they can help me. But I kind of like this design of the dash, where you have this whole thing, you know, the center console being connected with the upper part of the, you know, the instruments. Something I don't know if they started with it, but Saab 9000 had that when they came in 1985, and I think the Saab 9000 dashboard is still one of the best dashboards in the car history. But the steering is very heavy. I don't know if it's actually from standing so long, or if I just forgot how sluggish the Volvos are to drive, because it's really it's not really it's not nice to drive actually, but it's quite comfortable. It's you know, it's nice when you start a car after 13 months and it works. Anyway, all the systems seems to be working fine. The fans, everything. Let's see, it's due for the MOT inspection in just 2 or 3 days. I don't have any booked time. I don't know if they have any drop-in times anywhere. I doubt that I would be able to get the car repaired before that, but let's see. Everything was working. I had the annual MOT inspection done without any remarks. I had it repaired yesterday. The upper filling cap, or the filling line, the upper part of the filling line, which was leaking quite severely, was fixed yesterday, and very good. I have never driven a Volvo that feels sporty. You know, they are all very the road holding, or I mean, it's not that they're not safe. I think they're quite, you know, probably quite okay, you know, as far as staying on the road is concerned. But they feel as if they only want to go straight ahead, you know. it's like driving it is, you know, driving it is like cutting in an old cheese. But the funny thing is, even that is so, you know, I love driving anything, you know, I can drive anything, I don't mind. And the thing is, I'm so impressed by the car now, you know, just passing the annual MOT, that I really start liking this car. I think we'll try to keep it, you know, do minimal amount of maintenance, just repair stuff when they break, except for oil changes. I will not make any any preventive maintenance. I will just and it's quite a while until it's due for the change of the timing belt. So it feels quite sturdy. You know what I want to say about Volvos? All Volvos I've driven, even found the new ones, they have this. They feel like saggy just after a few years. You know, they feel like there's something about the chassis that feels really like rubber. You know, it's like soft. Like it's not. It's so far away from sporty as you can get. You know, but even so, there's some quality about it because they don't really break down. They just go and go. You know, they have this. They don't have a quality that would impress anyone as far as, you know, feel goes. But as far as durability goes, they're pretty fucking durable, I'd say. It's unbelievable. It's not really a slow car. It's actually got 200 horsepower. It's enough. I think they started with the 850. Their first, or one of the first front-wheel drive cars. They started with a 5-cylinder engine, and it makes it sound real. Many people like the sound of a 5-cylinder, but for me it sounds a bit. It sounds as if it sounds a bit forced, so to be honest with you. But anyway, it's all a matter of taste.